Are you tired of only hearing about Bitcoin and Ethereum? Want to dive deeper into the world of altcoins? And maybe even find the next big crypto winner? Then this video is for you. Today we're breaking down smart, strategic ways to invest in altcoins, with clear examples, realistic risks, and actionable tips to help you navigate this exciting but volatile corner of the crypto market. Part 1. What are altcoins? Let's start with the basics. Altcoin stands for alternative coin. That is, any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. This includes Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Chainlink, and thousands more. Some aim to improve on Bitcoin's tech, while others power smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi, or even decentralized gaming. But not all altcoins are created equal. Some have solid fundamentals and real-world use cases. Others, not so much. That's why having a smart strategy is essential. Part 2. Why invest in altcoins? So why even bother with altcoins when Bitcoin is already the king? Here's the thing. While Bitcoin offers stability and long-term growth, altcoins often provide higher potential returns, and especially during bull markets. Example, in 2021, Bitcoin rose 300%, Solana rose over 10,000%, Dogecoin surged over 12,000% at its peak. Of course, with higher potential comes higher risk. Altcoins are far more volatile, and some can go to zero. That's why diversification, research, and risk management are so critical. Part 3. Types of altcoin investment strategies. Let's explore some of the most common and effective investment strategies for altcoins. Strategy 1. Diversified portfolio approach. This strategy is about spreading your bets. Instead of going all in on one altcoin, you invest in a mix. This reduces your risk and increases your chances of catching a major gainer. Just remember, too much diversification can also dilute your returns. Strategy 2. Market cap and liquidity. Focus. Not all altcoins have the same growth potential or stability. One way to classify them is by market capitalization. Avoid very low cap tokens with poor liquidity. They can spike quickly, but it's hard to exit without major slippage. Strategy 3. Timing the market. Cycle investing. Crypto is cyclical. Prices often follow patterns of accumulation, bull runs, corrections, and bear markets. Accumulate during bear markets when everyone is fearful. Trim positions during euphoric bull runs. This requires patience and discipline, but it can dramatically improve your ROI. Strategy 4. Sector-based investing. Another smart approach, bet on entire sectors, not just coins. Layer 1 S, ETH, SOL, AVAX. Layer 2 S, RBOP, DeFi, AAV, Uni, AI tokens, FET, AGIX, gaming, IMX, XS, meme coins, Doge, Pepe. When a narrative heats up, like AI or gaming, many coins in that sector can pump together. You don't have to know the exact winner, just catch the wave. Strategy 5. Fundamental analysis. Before you invest, ask, what problem does this altcoin solve? Does it have a use case, an active developer community, and real users? Checklist for altcoin research. Use case and target market, tokenomics, supply, inflation burn, developer activity, GitHub, updates, community engagement, partnerships and adoption, exchange listings and liquidity, use tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Token Terminal, and Crypto Twitter for research. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Even experienced investors fall into traps. Let's highlight some mistakes you want to avoid. 1. FOMO buying. Don't chase green candles without research. 2. No exit plan. Know when to take profit, don't wait for the top. 3. Ignoring risk management. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. 4. Overexposure to meme coins. Fun? Yes. Sustainable investment? Usually not. 5. No diversification. Don't put your entire portfolio in one altcoin, no matter how promising it looks. Success in altcoin investing often means surviving, not just winning. Part 5. How to secure your investments. You found the next 100x coin. Great, but what happens if your exchange gets hacked or you lose access to your wallet? Basic security tips. Use cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage. Never share your seed phrase. Enable 2FA on all platforms. Avoid shady Telegram groups and DMs offering airdrops. Crypto security is your responsibility. Treat it seriously. Part 6. Setting your investment goals. What are you actually investing for? Long-term wealth, passive income, Quick flips, sample goal setting framework. Short term, 1-3 months. Trading or sector rotations. Medium term, 6-12 months. Writing narratives, AI, DeFi, gaming. Long term, 1-5 years. Investing in top projects like ETH, SOL, Link, DOT. Setting clear goals helps guide your risk appetite and exit strategy. Conclusion: altcoins can be powerful tools for wealth building, but only if you treat them like real investments, not lottery tickets. Diversify, do your research, time the market cycles, and always manage your risk. If this video helped you understand altcoin strategies better, drop a like and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more deep dives and crypto guides. And let me know in the comments, what's your current altcoin strategy?